I feel like this one can look tricky too sometimes, but your first stroke is always this one. So you're gonna go light, heavy, light, and then this is an upstroke. And I get a better angle actually when I start from the top and just keep my pressure light. Technically it's an upstroke, so you'd be working from that angle. But again, that's one of those rules, once you know it, you can break and just do what works best for you. I don't know if that's because I'm a lefty or what, but I have more luck coming from this angle, or really turning my page and then coming up that way. This one is light, heavy, light. So that's our first stroke. And then our second stroke, light pressure all the way up. For the slanted X, I added an extra detail. So we're gonna start at the end here. Light, heavy, light, heavy, light. And then again, coming up for our second stroke. And then this one looks pretty much just like this one. I just changed the direction of the second stroke. So instead of going this way, we're going this way. Light, heavy, light for your first stroke, and then light. That one's easier for me to come up from that direction when it's this way versus this way. But again, sometimes you just have to break the rules a little and do what works for you.